Point at me. Look at little Kenna. She's calm, sleeping with Daddy. See? Got a little tiny nose. And she's got nice, oh, her hair is so soft. It's crazy. It's okay. I'm gonna style this for you. I'm gonna give you one braid. She's got Daddy's hair. And let me see what else she got here. She's got finger. She's got mommy's fingers.
Mommy's fingers. Oh, fortunate girl.
Bad fingernails. And let me see the ears. Oh, okay. No, we got you. We got you. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. All right. It's under control. Under control. Alright, let's see that one single hand. Oh, yeah.
Look how long this baby is.
This is a newborn. Her feet way down here. Right? She's a little upset now. So a little, want to move your hand?
Where do you go?
You want to get your hand out? You see my hand? Okay, maybe with your other little hand right there. See that? You come over that hand? There you go. Okay.
Oh,
That's that hand.
yeah, good grip right there.
Really? That's what she wanted. She wants to hold up the other hand.
Priceless moments right here, man.
That's it. This is it right there. Just grab and hold. Tasha's gonna die. Tasha didn't get to see this, or Vita. Okay. Got you.
It's behind me.
Oh, you have it? Okay, hold on, okay.
She's doing good now.
Oh,
Yeah?
okay, let me...
She's definitely got a Vita's face.
Yeah.
Which one's
Her
solid?
little eyebrows. The hair, oh my gosh, so much hair. Super soft. Want to touch your hair, Sunday? Touch your hair.
Kathy!
22, 25.
Like a cotton ball.
Kat!
22, 25.
It's okay, we got you. Alright. You can kill the video.
Okay.